Hi guys, I'm Steve McKinney with Conservation Construction. I'm one of the owners, and I'm here today to talk to you about Colorado and the new law that took effect on July 1st. And many areas of Colorado are worried about the wildfires, or it could be your next door neighbor's house, God forbid, catches fire, and it could be sucked into your home. And what they're pushing and what they're doing with the new law, and every city can enact different parts of it and look at it however they choose to look at it. So some are getting very proactive, some not as proactive. But what generally happens is when one city does it, another city follows, and eventually the whole area is doing it. I do know, like the city of Lakewood is looking at different protections against fires. And what I'm going to show you today is several different ways to make your house far more fire resistant than the old type of compressed board sidings that people have had their home built out of, that have been around for many years. They delaminate, they come apart. The older they get, the more flammable they are, but they're quite flammable even when they're brand new. So what the different areas have decided to do is to go with non-combustible products. One siding that you can use to be a non-combustible product would be James Hardie. And James Hardie is basically a more of a concrete siding. Does have other components in it to make it where it will last, it will hold up, but it is literally a concrete type siding. And you can get many different looks. You can get a shake look. You can get many different colors to decorate the home. But this is referred to as a non-combustible product. Therefore, it gives you far more time for, say, a fireman to get there to help prevent it from burning, to help prevent the house from burning. The other thing that happens with wildfires and different fires is ambers are released, and they say that an amber can go up to 5 miles and be sucked into your soffit vents and actually create a fire. So what we're showing today is different products to kind of prevent these things from happening. This is an aluminum soffit panel that can be put onto your overhangs and your eaves, and it has very, very little tiny holes for ventilation because we do like to ventilate homes. But with this product being such small holes, it won't suck the ambers in and allow the fire to spread through your attic, through your soffits, and create a far bigger fire and damage your home, perhaps even destroy your home. So this is one way to do a ventilation system on your soffits and your overhangs, is to do it in an aluminum panel. They also make steel panels where you can really decorate your home and make it look quite exciting. These are just some pictures of what you can do with it. But this is all steel soffit, and again, non-combustible. So by doing these products, you get a variety of colors you can use, but you can truly decorate the home where it looks extremely modern. It looks like wood, depending on what the look you want. Now let me warn you, because I don't like big surprises. I'm hoping you don't like big surprises. If you go with the steel siding, like what you're seeing here, and this is literally pieces of different types of soffits and different types of siding you can use in steel. And steel's been around for many, many years as a siding, but it's becoming more popular again. And it's becoming more popular because of wildfires. Or again, God forbid your neighbor's house catches fire, it will help it from not coming to your home. This is a very expensive product. So if you don't really care about price and you want a certain look and design, amazing product, and it's beautiful. It does come in different colors, different designs, and gives you a really nice look. You can even do a combination. You could do Hardie on the walls if you want to, and you can do a steel soffit system or an aluminum soffit system. You can also do a Hardie soffit system, But then again, you gotta worry about the ventilation holes because they're a little bigger and you don't wanna be able to suck an amber up. Another thing that we do is we take a non-combustible insulation board, which gives you a good insulation factor, deaden noise, keeps your home far more insulated, tighter, and it makes your home more comfortable, also saving you on your heating and cooling costs. The steel siding, you'll never paint. These are designed to never be painted. The Hardie product has a paint warranty, but it is a product that can be repainted, and it's a product that a lot of people do just paint. So you can get this in our what we call a Color Plus. You can get it in a prime color, and then you can have a painter come over and paint it. We're professionals at doing siding. We're not really into the paint business, but we do install the siding. You can have a painter come back and paint it. These are just some kind of pictures of what it could look like on your home to give you really a very custom look, a very nice design, but again, be non-combustible, be far more fire preventative than your current wood soffit systems or your wood siding systems, which unfortunately this day are highly flammable. In many areas of Colorado, you're not going to be allowed to use those. Fire departments are getting very involved in houses. There's even some areas that you'll probably have to get a fire people out to take a look at the home, look at the property, look at everything to decide what needs to go, what can stay, what allows you to feel more comfortable when you're sleeping in your home and a fire breaks out somewhere, whether it be your neighbor's house, whether it be a forest fire. It doesn't matter. You want to try to be comfortable. And these are very different design looks to really make your home look very modern, very nice, very new, but be far more fire preventive. Nothing will ever be fireproof, but you can make your home where perhaps unfortunately the neighbor's house went up, but yours didn't because you didn't suck in the embers into your overhangs, into your eaves, and you didn't catch your house on fire. So we're specializing in a lot of fire preventive products, and that's what I'm really talking to you about because of the new law. But these are good ideas to do anyway. It doesn't matter whether it's a law or not, which it is, but if you can make your home very fire resistant and just do a lot of changes where the home looks really sharp, that's what we're out doing. And we are able to come out and give you a free exact estimate on changing your home. Matter of fact, if we could afford to put you in a hotel and you stay in a hotel for a week while we're redoing your home, you might drive right past it because it will be a brand new house at the old address. There's other products out there as well. This is a product called Align, and this is a composite product also being used as a non-combustible. And typically what we do almost every home is we do the insulation. We make sure the home is in good shape before we start. We do the insulation to prevent moisture from building up, also give you a warmer home, a cooler home, a quieter home, and then we come back and we cover it with one of the sidings. That would be kind of your choice. The line comes in many different colors. Hardie comes in many different colors. Soffit systems, like I was talking to you about here, also comes in many different colors. So we can actually, let me turn this right side up so you can see it, but we can actually design your home, make it a different looking home, and actually give you something for your money. All of these products, I'll be the first to tell you, they're not inexpensive, they're quality products. And actually, in home improvements, a lot of times you get what you pay for. Some companies are just too expensive. We are family owned. So if you've had other prices and you've decided that's just unaffordable, give us a shot because we can come out and perhaps design something that fits into the budget. Doesn't always fit in the budget, but it might. We have a lot of different financing programs. We have interest-free programs. We have long-term loan programs. So depending on your budget, depending on where you're at, we can do a lot of different things for you. This is actually a steel siding panel, so you can actually do steel siding on the home. I personally know people that have had steel siding literally in Colorado for over 30 years. It survived the hailstorm. It still looks new. It looks good. Power wash your home, spray down your home, clean it every once in a while, and you really never do maintenance on the outside of your home again. So I do recommend these products. I do think they're good products for the home. The Align product actually looks like this on the house. And again, it comes in many different colors to design the home. So if you like what you've seen today, if you're concerned about fires, we can help you not worry about it as much. Please give us a call, give us a click, give us a share, do all those things that my employees tell me people do, because we want to earn your business. We've been around for over 35 years. We take a lot of pride in what we do, and we want to take care of you. We're one of those companies that actually take care of you after we have your check. If you have a problem with any of this later down the road, we will help you get it resolved. The manufacturers back these products, but we can work with them to get your problem resolved if you have one. So again, give us a call, give us a click, reach out to us. However you choose to reach out, whether you want to send us a card, whether you want to send us an email, whatever you want to do, the way you like to communicate, reach out to us. Give us a chance to come out and make your home more fire resistant. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.